Anyway, guys, welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thanks so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Wednesday, happy 26th. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. And without me wasting your time, let's get to story today. So, guys, we all know that the Italians, the event based, they are currently busy with the Thandeka's donation. Guys, they have opened a GoFundMe, currently sitting on 223,000 rand, the road to 2 million rand. And guys, there are so many Capitex accounts. I don't understand. I've seen more than 3 Capitex accounts, guys, saying that you should send money for Thandeka, guys. I've never seen anyone coming to social media to say I'm the one who's handling Thandeka's social media, guys. A lot of things is going on like with Italians, guys. So I saw this message on TikTok. Somebody went on to say, attention Italians, they are saying Thandeka's Twitter account is hacked. Thandeka's mom is not on Capitec and does not want any money. Again, the person went on to say, please continue contributing to just the GoFund. Don't send any money to any account communicated by the account. If you need help with the GoFund, let us know. We will help you on how to successfully deposit. Remember, don't send any money to a personal account. So guys, this must be hard, guys, because I've seen a lot of people sending money to different accounts. On TikTok, there's another Capitec account. On Twitter, there's another Capitec account. On Facebook, there's another Capitec account. I don't know, guys. So many people are using Thandeka to make money, guys. I made a post on Facebook, guys. I said, guys, the Italians, you need to be very careful. You need to know the group admin. You need to know the person who's behind Thandeka's Instagram, guys. At least Thandeka's mom should be the one handling all the Thandeka's social media, guys, or anyone, any friend, Thandeka, guys. Somebody need to come out and do a video, say, hi guys, my name is so and so and so. I'm the one who's responsible for Thandeka's Twitter account. I'm responsible for TikTok account. You need that, guys. You can't be sending money all over the place, guys. Many people are benefiting because of Thandeka, guys. It must be hard, because I know that there are a lot of people that have sending money in Capitec thinking that they are sending money to Thandeka, guys, and we are not even sure who is handling the GoFundMe account, guys. You might find that some guy from Nigeria, he decided to open a GoFundMe for Thandeka, guys. You guys need to be careful, Italians. If you're watching this video, go out there, guys, and just do a post to trend to say, guys, we need to see the people that are handling all social medias like Thandeka, guys. What is going on? You have sent your last money because you love it, Thandeka, and there's another person is busy jawing your money, guys. Be very careful out there, guys. If you don't know how to do it, just Google how to deposit money GoFundMe. I'm not even sure if that GoFundMe it belongs to Thandeka anymore, guys. It is what it is. Tell me in the comment section what do you think about this. Don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment. Happy Wednesday. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.